going to get all these shown, okay? And since we first debuted this item, we've taken how many orders? Great day in the morning. 16,000 orders taken since we introduced this item. Tara, what we're talking about is the 3-quart round baker with the glass lid. This is really remarkable. What I think most people are going to find really exciting about this is its versatility. This is going to be the piece you reach for.
You're absolutely right, David. And the silhouette is what's so fresh and fun. This is the item of the month for August. So again, when we talk about Temp-tations Days, over 50 brand new items. What I love about it is it's a brand new shape that we've never done before. 3 quarts in total capacity, right? A lot of times you would think this is reminiscent of a cookware piece that goes on your stovetop, but this is our beautiful stoneware. Offset handles here. Oh, hello, yellow.
Oh, I think we lost Tara's audio. We're going to try to get that back. So we'll get her all squared away. In the meantime, Sean, do you want to show colors on .com? Would that be easiest? Okay, the two that I have to show you are Harvest, 1,300 in the Harvest, and then I have Confetti over across the way. 1,200 remaining. Now let's go to QVC.com and I'll show you all the other colors. This is going to be shipping out on September 20th. Now, let's take a look here. What we have first is, no, that's, okay, let's start at the beginning there if we can. To the far left, perfect. Black, 100, blue, 200 available. This is in floral lace. Then I have the cranberry, 200. Then I have for you the gray. Gray's available. Hello, yellow. 600 in the hello yellow. Then I have the red, 5 dozen, and finally the taupe, 1,300. Now that's floral lace. Now we're going to switch over to Old World. Let's start far left there with the blue, 400. Then the confetti, 1,100. Then I've got it for you in the green, 400 green. Then gray, and finally taupe. And then we have some seasonals. Yes. Oh, woodland's next. Okay. Okay, woodland is available. Oh, and I see our little sign there from QVC.com. Going, almost gone. In the gray, we have 300 and taupe 450. Then the seasonal, I think, oh, including harvest? We still have harvest available, and harvest is available. Okay, Tara, do we have your audio back, my dear?
I am back, my friend. Sorry
there you are.
That.
No worries, no worries.
Yes.
It's technology. Hello, how you doing?
It's so much fun, always.
Oh.
Did you comment on the hello yellow?
Loving the hello yellow. What you need to know is that Tara and I have known each other 750 years. And back in the early days when we were doing colors and she featured yellow, yellow has since taken a hiatus, I would always say, hello yellow. And so she brought it back for Temp-tations Days and you named it Hello Yellow. That's so sweet.
Isn't that sweet? And what I love about the 3-quart capacity, not only is it a bright, cheery color, but your stuffing in here, your sides in here. This is truly meant to be one dish cooking. And I think before we fell off, this lid actually goes right into the oven at 500 degrees.
Oh, that's great. So it's tempered.
Oh, yeah.
It's tempered, yeah.
Yeah, tempered. Exactly. That great finial on top here. It's just a beautiful updated silhouette with all of those great patterns, all of those pieces that we love, which is why we made it the item of the month. And look at this beautifully set harvest table where you could envision popping in any of those colors and it working perfectly. But one dish cooking, prepping in here, cooking in here, serving in here, storing in here, and the best part, putting it in the dishwasher when you're done.
Oh, and I love that that lid goes into the oven also because I might use this for braising, Tara, because
sure.
it would be easy enough to do that if I was doing short ribs for maybe, 2 or 4 people. I could easily, well, probably for more like 4 to 6. You could do 4 to 6 in here pretty easily. Well, if it's me eating, maybe it's one, maybe 2, more like 2. But this is what's great. You can do 3 quarts of salad, 3 quarts of mac and cheese. Be able to put your favorite rice pudding in here. Maybe do a cold salad. Because remember, stoneware keeps hot, hot, but cold, cold. So if you're thinking about getting this home and using it in the autumn season of the year for maybe a cold salad, a mayonnaise-based salad, a crisp green salad, or an autumn salad, all that is going to work out really nicely.
Perfect for that. And I love that. It doesn't always have to be this big deal that you're making a meal. It can be something as simple as a salad or pasta salad or potato salad, right? I love it for thinking it's the perfect companion for maybe your holiday entertaining where you need kind of that bigger 3-quart round. And I love the silhouette. The fact that it's lower makes it truly a presentation piece. So you can stack things on top and garnish things beautifully. And you have that cook and look lid. So to your point, when you need to be doing something like braising, you want that lid on so it's not splattering all over the interior of your oven. That's where it's going to be perfect. And you can peek in and see how it's progressing instead of constantly opening the door, pulling out the rack, checking. So that's what I love about a glass lid as well.
Now, if you want the Hello Yellow, we have 400 remaining. If you are interested in our confetti, I have fewer than 1,000 to go around in confetti. Now, if you want the Harvest, which is the only seasonal color or pattern I have left, fewer than 900 remain. We've taken orders for over 17,000, and in this show, 1,700 have been spoken for. We'll go to QVC.com. We'll leave Tara's mic up, and if we can't start, and we'll go left to right, beginning with floral lace. I've got this in the black, 4 dozen, then the blue, 6 dozen, then I've got cranberry, 120. There's the gray. That's available. Hello Yellow.
Hello.
Fewer than 400. Red has sold out, and taupe is available. Now, Tara, as we go into Old World, is that a stainless steel knob on the top?
It is a stainless steel knob on the top. You got it.
Oh, that's perfect. Now, this is Old World Blue, fewer than 400, and then we have confetti, only now fewer than 1,000. Then green, 330, then the gray, and finally the taupe. Now, do we have any woodland in this? Oh, we have gray and taupe. 150 in the gray and 400 in the taupe. And then they're gone. It's important to know these are on 5 easy payments. And Tara, this is whether it's a gift or whether it's for yourself and for your home and your family, this is going to be that sweet spot size. This is the perfect size for really everyday cooking.
You're right. So if you're a small family and there's just like my husband and I, it's just the two of us, this is perfect because we can do our entire meal on here. And I love that. Or if it's a bigger family like Lisa's family, then it just becomes like a side dish, which is fantastic. But what I love the most about it is the unique shape. We've never done anything like this. You know, when you think about 19 years, over 21 million sets shared with all of you, the fact that we've never done a low profile, never done a 3-quart round with these offset handles, cook and look lid, is why this piece is so special. We can't always guarantee that we'll continue with these pieces. So that's what I love about Temp-tations Days, new technologies, over 50 brand new items. This is one of the stars of the show for sure.
So exciting and so beautifully done. And remember, when you've got something like this harvest pattern, this doesn't wash off in the dishwasher. This is fired on these vessels. This is stoneware. So this is not going to be something that you need to worry about over time. You're also going to love the handles. I would call this an everyday baker because it's the kind of everyday cooking you could do inside here. And you can also roast in here if you want to pop it into the oven. If you wanted to take the lid off and do a roasting chicken in there, that would be easy enough. So don't miss out on any of these opportunities. We're getting very, very busy on our phone lines. And over 18,000 have been ordered now, with 9,000 total remaining. Now, I will tell you we have lost in floral lace, black, blue, and red. We're last call cranberry, and 250 left in the Hello Yellow. In the Old World, we still have everything available, but green is most limited. And in the Harvest, 600 remaining. And in the Woodland, 100 gray, 350 in the taupe. Woo, Tara. This has been a busy, no, I'm usually one doing the sweating. But I will tell you, I changed my shirt, so I'm dry, which is good.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, I needed to because I had sweat through that other way. It was hot as a dog's mouth in here. All right, so we want to remind everyone that Temp-tations Days continues through September 15th, and we can find all kinds of surprises on